we talk a little bit about going ahead and optimizing metabolism and cleaning up and ending symptoms that people have of different things.
Disease tendencies.
And disease tendencies, just because actually their body's starting to function right.
And fatigue tendencies.
Yeah. So can you...
And aging tendencies.
And premature aging, yeah, okay.
So a lot at stake here.
So, let's just use...
And pain.
And pain. So let's use one example of cholesterol. Just so that there's a lot of people out there that doctors tell them, hey, you got to take statins. We need to be able to drop your cholesterol levels. All of these things. Can this methodology be used? And what's causing the high cholesterol in the first place?
Please, cholesterol is a no-brainer here. We actually have a fellow, it's in my third book, How to Fix a Broken Healthcare System. Go to the website, you can see it. Now, his name is Steve. I can't tell you his last name, I'll just say Steve M. He is a biochemist. He works for the medical technology groups. He said, hey, can you lower my cholesterol? And we said, yeah, we should be able to do that, no problem. So he says, okay, I'm going to take a blood test before and then after you institute the BNA. So he did a blood test before, okay, taking our BNA test. Then we put him on the program for just a month, 1 month, right? And he did another blood test. And guess what? His cholesterol went down 30%. His high-density lipoproteins, the good cholesterol, went up. I think it was 18%. His low-density, the bad ones, went down 15 or 16%. In 1 month, come on. This is like a miracle. But here's the problem. You need the cholesterol to make hormones. If you take a statin, you limit the amount of cholesterol you can make because you inhibit an enzyme that zinc stimulates to make more cholesterol, which is an unnatural way of lowering your cholesterol. But guess what? With less cholesterol, you don't get as much testosterone, guys. And ladies, whoo, forget about good estrogen. You're going to build up a bunch of bad estrogen. And guess what? You're going to end up on hormone replacement therapy. Low T, you're going to have low testosterone. Going to put you on to make up for the lack of cholesterol being used the right way. Well, ladies, same thing. You're going to be on progesterone, estrogen, who knows what, just because we didn't get two minerals right, zinc and copper, that control the amount of cholesterol in your body. So there you have it. That's just one. We could do this all day. Hey guys, you want to do this all day? Well, go to biocorrectnutrition.com and guess what? Share this with your friends and like the page and let's stop fooling around.